So it's time for another giveaway, guys, to thank you all for helping me reach 15,000 subscribers and over 800,000 views here in the last year on YouTube. So stick around to find out how you could win a Novation Launchpad Mark II or an online course from Production Music Live. The details are coming up. Hey, how's it going, guys? It's John Holt here with The Audio Journey, helping make music production accessible to all. And here on this channel, what I do is a variety of music production tutorials, mainly focused towards beginners and beyond. So if that's something that you might be interested in, then definitely consider subscribing. So first and foremost, thank you so much to anyone that's viewed any of the videos, liked them, commented, shared. I seriously appreciate every single one of you. So as I mentioned at the start, we've got two lucky winners in this giveaway. The first one is going to win a Novation Launchpad Mark II, which is an awesome prize. And the second lucky winner is going to win a complete online course of making a track from start to finish for beginners by the fantastic Production Music Live. So how do you enter? So instead of this just being a like my page or a tag your friends kind of giveaway, I wanted to ask you guys a question and get some feedback from you so that I can use that to then help you guys with my content going forwards in 2018 and beyond. So this is the question I want to ask you. What is the biggest challenge that you're currently facing in music production? Have a think about that for a second. What is the biggest problem that you're currently facing in music production? Now, this could be anything from I just don't know where to start. I constantly get stuck in 8-bar loops. I don't know how to mix down to a professional standard. I don't know how to consistently finish my tracks. Whatever you think is your biggest problem at the moment, that's your answer, and make a note of that. So now what you need to do is take that answer and follow these steps to enter the competition. So first of all, you're going to need to go to the Audio Journey's Facebook page, which is linked in the description below this video. Next, you're going to need to go to the pinned post, which, thinking about it, I might actually be able to just link the pinned post down below for you guys, cut out a step there for you. Next up, you need to like the post. And the reason that you need to like the post is that when I come to pick the winner, I'm going to be using an online tool that I can select a Facebook post of, and it's going to give me the name of one of the people that have liked that post. So it's really important that you like that post, because that's the first step of how I'm going to pick the winner. I'm going to pick that with an online tool. So someone that's liked that post is going to get picked. And then the last thing that you need to do to enter this competition is take your answer to that earlier question, which is what is the biggest problem that you're currently facing in music production at the moment, and drop your answer as a comment on this post. So just to recap, go to the Audio Journey's Facebook page. I'm going to link the pinned post up below if I can. And then you need to like the post and you need to comment with your answer. So I'm going to pick out the person, someone that's liked the post. And then once I've picked that person out, I'm going to go through, I'm going to double check that they've commented. And if they have, they're a winner. I'm going to do that 2 times. First person's going to win the Launchpad. Second person's going to win the Production Music Live course. So somewhere around this video, probably in the description below, I'm going to put the closing date for the competition. Now, I'm not leaving this competition open for very long, so make sure that as you're here, you jump on that and you enter as soon as you can if you want to be in with a chance. Now, I'll stress at this point that you don't need to like the page to enter the competition, and you also don't need to share it with your friends. It's not going to gain you any extra entries, and it's not necessary for you to win the competition. If you do want to see some music production tips coming through your feed after the competition's finished, then feel free to like the page if you want to. Now, the winner is going to be announced on a live stream, and again, the details of that are going to be in the description below this video. And if you do hit like on my Facebook page, you're going to get notified as to when that live stream's happening. So I'd recommend doing it even just for the competition. But yeah, that's how the winner's going to be announced, is on a Facebook live stream. I'm also going to be putting details on my Instagram, so feel free to head over and follow me there at The Audio Journey for more information. So guys, once again, thank you so much for the continued support here at The Audio Journey. I can't even begin to tell you how much I appreciate it. I'm really excited for what I've got coming for you guys in 2018. Thank you so much to Novation and Production Music Live for teaming up with me on this giveaway. If you do have any questions about the giveaway or anything else, feel free to drop a comment below or drop me a Facebook message and I'll get back to you on that. And best of luck in the giveaway, guys. I'll talk to you soon.